This is the Sally Hansen Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. It has a brush in it, almost just like a nail polish brush. You can use it on bare nails or nails that have polish on them, which is great. If you're anything like me, you like to save some money and do your nail care at home instead of going to a nail salon regularly. When I'm really trying to take care of my nails, I call in reinforcements like this cuticle oil to really nourish my nails and soften them and moisturize them. When I'm giving myself a manicure, this is definitely a go-to for me. I will use it as a cuticle oil also to soften my cuticles so that I can push them back and before I put polish on it. I love this. This is also nightly. They recommend nightly if you have brittle nails or you just want to give your cuticles and your nails some extra love. Sally Hansen's a great brand. You can't go wrong with them. And I do love that the ingredients and just the ease of use with this one. Definitely recommend. Let me see. It doesn't smell, it just smells like oil, which is nice. So there's no perfume or anything in it. But yeah, you can see I've used a lot so far. I really like it. But if you do polish your nails after you use it and you're not using it just as a nightly maintenance, then you want to make sure that you wipe it off before you put polish on. But yeah, I love it. I think it's great and it really keeps your nails moisturized and renewed. So definitely check it out.